Welcome to Unit 5, Graphing Linear Equations and Inequalities. Ooh, sounds really complicated, but it's not. We're going to walk you through this unit small step by small step. We're going to learn some new terms and things you're going to hear basically through the rest of your math career. All right, let's talk about the coordinate plane. You've seen this before. We're still going to go over it so you have it clear. The coordinate plane is made of two intersecting lines. You've got a horizontal line and a vertical line. All right, I'm going to play with colors today. The horizontal line is your x-axis, that's the sloppy x, and the vertical line is your y-axis. All right, now let's put some stuff in here. This thing right here, that is called the origin. Origin. And the coordinate is 0, 0. All right, that's a very important thing to know. The coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. Now, we know the x-axis goes across. See, it shows it right there. Then let's look at this point. This point, this blue point, is on the x-axis. There we go. And it is -6, 0. You always use your x coordinate first. Every coordinate pair starts with your x, then goes to your y. As a student once told me, because the student learned it somewhere else, you have to move your ladder across before you can climb it. So much sense. So you go across to the x-axis before you go up. Now, I want you to pay attention. Look at the x-axis. Everything to the right of 0, I'm going to put a little blue arrow there, is positive. Everything to the left of 0 is negative, just like on the number lines. Now, let's look at this. This is the y-axis. And this point is 0, 4. Because we do not go across any. We don't move. So we go from 0 and then we go up 4. And if you notice, everything above 0 is positive and below 0 is negative. All right, so remember, when you see a coordinate pair and all of these, 0, 4, -6, 0, 0, 0, those are all called coordinate pairs. We're going to use that term a lot. When you see a coordinate pair, it means go across however many and then go up from that point. And that's day 1.